Here is nanoCAD, the cutting-edge, computer-aided design platform. Trusted by professionals across industries, from mechanical engineering, construction, and architecture to surveying. It offers powerful tools for 2D drawing and 3D modeling. With the world-renowned DWG compatibility, a familiar interface, and standard commands, nanoCAD ensures you spend less time learning and more time creating. Expand your toolkit with 5 specialized modules designed to boost your workflow and unlock new possibilities in CAD design. 3D Solid Modeling Module. Create complex volumetric designs in 3 modes, combine parts into assemblies, and instantly generate accurate 2D drawings from your 3D models. Mechanica Module. Design mechanical engineering parts with a built-in library of ISO, DIN, and other standards. Build sheet metal components with combined 3D and Mechanica tools. Use parametric modeling tools to apply constraints and build complex parts with advanced 3D commands. Construction Module. Automate architectural and construction drawings with out-of-the-box elements like walls, windows, and doors. Quickly add specialized annotations for sections, levels, and views. Topoplan Module. Speed up your surveying projects with tools for creating digital terrain models, contour lines, and slopes. Design berg stretches, place level marks, and create drawings in seconds to streamline your tasks and achieve precision faster. Raster Module. Effortlessly convert scanned drawings into vector formats. Correct, clean, and vectorize drawings all within a single CAD environment. Beyond the standard modules, nanoCAD lets you tailor unique CAD solutions for your specific needs. nanoCAD's API interface supports lots of programming languages and command scripting. Beyond productivity benefits, nanoCAD is highly affordable. It offers subscription variability, technical support, and upgrades throughout the whole period. Download nanoCAD today and start your 30-day free trial with full features to see the difference for yourself.